Hello everyone, and great to have your company here on Kalkine TV. I'm Rose Jacobs and you're watching Buzzing Trends. Today we'll be looking at three ASX oil shares with over 20% past 6-month gains. So let's get started. Oil prices surged to a 7-year high on Wednesday, trading relentlessly beyond US $110 a barrel. The prices remained high since Russia invaded Ukraine 7 days ago, on expectations that the market will remain short of supply for months to come following sanctions on Moscow and a flood of divestment from Russian oil assets by major firms. Even as the International Energy Agency announced a release of 60 million barrels of oil from emergency reserves, the size of the release, less than a single day's worth of global consumption, appears to have triggered fears of a shortfall. However, some of the ASX-listed oil shares gained as a result. Oil companies such as Santos, Woodside Petroleum and Beach Energy saw their share prices surging to new highs on Wednesday. In the past 6 months alone, these shares have gained over 20%. Meanwhile, the ASX 200 index closed 0.28% higher, while the ASX 200 Energy Index ended with a 4.88% gain on Wednesday. Today we discuss three ASX-listed oil stocks which have gained over 20% in the past 6 months. And first up is Santos. It's an Australian energy company, the country's second largest independent oil and gas producer. In the 2020 Forbes Global 2000, Santos was ranked as 1,583rd largest public company in the world. Shares of Santos are trading at $7.94 Australian. In the past 6 months, the stock has gained over 27%. The stock is up over 7% in the past month alone. Santos's net profit for the calendar year 2021 stood at US $658 million. That's US $1 billion turnaround from a net loss in 2020. Similarly, underlying profit surged 230% to US $946 million. Last week, Santos revealed that it had signed a gas agreement on the P'nyang project located in the western province of Papua New Guinea. P'nyang gas will be delivered through new upstream facilities in Western Province in northwest PNG and linked to the existing PNG LNG export facility near Port Moresby. Santos said up to 5% of P'nyang gas produced will be made available to support the government's electrification efforts in Western Province or another agreed location. Next up, we have Woodside Petroleum. It's an Australian petroleum exploration and production company. Woodside is the operator of oil and gas production in Australia and also Australia's largest independent dedicated oil and gas company. Shares of Woodside Petroleum are trading at Australian $31.22. In the past 6 months, the stock has gained almost 56%. The stock is up over 20% in the past month alone. On Tuesday, Woodside reported that Western Australia's Supreme Court dismissed the 2 proceedings brought against the chairman of the Environmental Protection Authority, challenging the company's Pluto LNG and Karratha gas plant environmental approvals made in 2019. Conservation Council of Western Australia had said the facilities could allow billions of tonnes of carbon pollution from the company's proposed Burrup Hub LNG expansion. The company on Wednesday released its 2021 climate target progress, in which it revealed that it was on track to achieve its 2025 target of a 15% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Lastly, Beach Energy is an Australian oil and gas exploration and production company based in Adelaide, South Australia. Formerly known as Beach Petroleum, the company changed its name to Beach Energy in December 2009. Shares of Beach Energy are currently trading at $1.68 Australian. In the past 6 months, the stock has gained over 53% and is up over 13% in the past month alone. In global news, soaring oil prices may be boosting the Beach Energy share price. Beach Energy also revealed yesterday to the ASX market it would offload some of its assets in the Cooper Basin. ASX-listed Bass Oil will acquire an interest in 8 of Beach Cooper Basin's tenements for $650,000. A subsidiary of Beach has entered a sale and purchase agreement with Bass. The assets include the Accretive Warrior and Padalla oil fields and properties that contain appraisal and possible exploration targets. And that's it for now with the Buzzing Trends. We'll be back with this show tomorrow to share the latest market insights with you. Till then, stay tuned to Kalkine TV for more stock, business and economy related hot trends.